Chapter 12. DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Understanding Decentralized Autonomous Organizations (DAOs). A decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) represents a novel legal structure devoid of a central governing body. A concept gaining traction particularly within cryptocurrency and blockchain circles. DAOs operate on a principle where decision-making authority lies with its members, who collectively strive towards a shared objective. Essential to this structure is the absence of a central authority. Instead, power is decentralized among token holders who exercise voting rights. Transparency is a fundamental characteristic, as all actions within a DAO are recorded on a blockchain, ensuring public visibility of user activity. Notably, the DAO stands as one of the pioneering examples, conceived by developers to streamline decision-making processes and facilitate cryptocurrency transactions. However, the security of DAOs is paramount, given the potential vulnerability to exploitation, which could result in significant financial losses. Ensuring the security and functionality of DAOs. Security emerges as a critical concern for decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs). Given the potential for significant financial risk in the event of exploitation, the absence of a central authority necessitates robust security measures to safeguard the entity's treasury and uphold the integrity of decision-making processes. Vulnerabilities within a DAO can lead to substantial financial losses, highlighting the imperative for stringent security protocols. Moreover, the transparency afforded by blockchain technology exposes all user activity, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a secure environment for token holders. The DAO's prominence in automating decisions and facilitating cryptocurrency transactions underscores the potential of DAOs in reshaping organizational governance. However, the viability and longevity of DAOs hinge on their ability to address security concerns effectively, ensuring the trust and confidence of participants in the decentralized ecosystem. Exploring the roots and evolution of decentralized autonomous organizations. By understanding the history and current state of DAOs, we can gain a deeper insight into their potential impact on the future of decentralized governance and decision-making. The term DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, was introduced by Vitalik Buterin in 2013. Although he acknowledges Daniel Larimer's earlier concept of a decentralized autonomous corporation (DAC. However, the fundamental idea of decentralized automation has older roots, with Buterin drawing inspiration from Daniel Suarez's science fiction novel Demon for his views on decentralized organizations. Examining the timeline of decentralized organizations reveals a fascinating journey spanning over a decade, marked by significant developments and innovations in blockchain technology and decentralized governance. The concept of decentralization first appeared in academic journals in the 1960s and 1970s, laying the groundwork for future advancements. In 1997, Werner Dilger discussed the Internet of Things, IoT, envisioning a decentralized network of interconnected devices, foreshadowing the interconnected nature of modern decentralized systems. Daniel Suarez's 2006 novel Demon explored decentralized organizations in a prehistoric context, serving as a precursor to later developments in the field. The emergence of Bitcoin in 2009 marked a significant milestone, with Satoshi Nakamoto's creation of the first example of a DAO. Nakamoto's release of the Bitcoin white paper and the mining of the Genesis block on January 3, 2009, laid the foundation for decentralized financial systems. The year 2013 saw further contributions to the DAO concept, with the invention of the DAC by Stan and Daniel Larimer and Vitalik Buterin's writings on decentralized organizations. Subsequent years witnessed the evolution of DAOs, with projects like MakerDAO exploring algorithmic stablecoins such as the DAI token, paving the way for innovative decentralized financial solutions. Understanding the mechanisms of decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs). DAOs operate through the implementation of smart contracts, which are programmable agreements executed on a blockchain. These contracts govern decision-making processes within the organization based on predefined conditions and criteria. For instance, A smart contract might dictate actions such as increasing the circulating supply of tokens, burning a specific amount of reserve tokens, or distributing rewards to token holders based on certain outcomes. By encoding decision-making logic into smart contracts, DAOs automate governance processes and ensure transparency and accountability. Decisions within a DAO are typically determined through a voting process recorded on the blockchain, allowing for immutable and publicly accessible documentation of member participation. Members participate in voting by staking their tokens, with the weight of their vote proportional to the number of tokens they hold. This distribution of voting power incentivizes users with larger token holdings to act in the best interest of the DAO, as their financial stake is directly tied to the outcomes of decisions. Consequently, individuals with significant financial investments in the DAO are motivated to make decisions that enhance its value and sustainability. The underlying principle guiding the distribution of voting power in DAOs is that individuals with greater monetary investments are more inclined to act in alignment with the collective interests of the organization. For example, a member holding 25% of the total voting power has a substantial influence over decision-making processes. However, engaging in malicious or detrimental behavior could undermine the value of their token holdings, disincentivizing actions that could harm the DAO. This mechanism seeks to foster a sense of responsibility and accountability among participants, encouraging collaborative decision-making for the mutual benefit of all stakeholders. Utilization of treasury funds and collective decision-making in DAOs. DAOs often manage treasuries containing tokens that can be exchanged for fiat currency or other assets. Members of the DAO participate in governance by voting on proposals related to the allocation and utilization of these funds. For instance, a DAO focused on acquiring rare non-fungible tokens (NFTs) may vote on whether to allocate treasury funds for the purchase of such assets. This democratic process allows members to collectively determine the strategic direction and priorities of the organization, ensuring that decisions align with the interests and objectives of the community. Advantages of Decentralized Autonomous Organizations (DAOs). Decentralization. Decentralization stands as a primary advantage of DAO structures, where decisions are distributed among a diverse group of individuals rather than concentrated in the hands of a few. Unlike traditional hierarchical models where authority is centralized in a CEO or board of directors, DAOs democratize decision-making, allowing a broader range of participants to contribute to the organization's direction and governance. This decentralized approach promotes transparency and reduces the risk of single points of failure, enhancing resilience and adaptability within the organization. Enhanced participation. Enhanced participation is another key benefit of DAOs, empowering individuals within the entity to actively engage in decision-making processes. Through token ownership, participants gain voting rights and the opportunity to influence outcomes on various matters affecting the organization. While some may hold a smaller stake, DAOs incentivize participation by providing a platform for all token holders to voice their opinions, contributing to a more inclusive and democratic decision-making framework. This heightened level of engagement encourages a sense of ownership and commitment among members, strengthening the collective bond within the community. Public visibility. Public visibility of actions within a DAO promotes accountability and trust among participants, as all decisions and transactions are recorded on the blockchain and accessible to the public. This transparency ensures that stakeholders can scrutinize the actions of individuals and hold them accountable for their contributions to the organization. By making votes and decisions publicly viewable, DAOs create an environment where members are incentivized to act in the best interest of the community, as their reputations are tied to their actions. This transparency fosters a culture of integrity and encourages responsible behavior among participants. Community building. Community building emerges as a natural consequence of the DAO structure, facilitating collaboration and cooperation among individuals from diverse backgrounds and geographical locations. With the ability to connect seamlessly through digital platforms, token holders can contribute to a shared vision and collaborate on projects irrespective of physical boundaries. DAOs harness the collective wisdom and resources of a global community, enabling the pooling of talent, expertise, and resources to achieve common goals. This inclusive approach not only fosters innovation and creativity but also promotes a sense of belonging and camaraderie among participants, driving collective progress and success. Challenges facing decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs). Speed. Speed emerges as a notable limitation of DAOs compared to traditional centralized structures. While a public company may rely on a CEO to make swift decisions, DAOs require every user to participate in the voting process, resulting in a longer decision-making timeframe. This extended timeline is exacerbated by factors such as differing time zones and conflicting priorities among DAO members. Consequently, implementing changes or initiatives within a DAO can be hindered by the lengthy voting periods, potentially impacting the organization's agility and responsiveness to market dynamics. Education. Education presents another significant challenge for DAOs, as they must ensure that all token holders are adequately informed and engaged in entity activities. Unlike a CEO who holds singular authority over company developments, DAOs must navigate the diverse educational backgrounds and levels of understanding among their members. Educating token holders about initiatives, incentives, and strategic objectives requires considerable effort and resources, posing a barrier to effective communication and decision-making within the organization. Overcoming this educational hurdle is essential for DAOs to harness the collective wisdom and expertise of their members and drive sustainable growth and innovation. Efficiency. Efficiency is compromised in DAOs due to the inherent complexities of coordinating a large and diverse group of individuals. The need to educate voters, communicate initiatives, explain strategies, and onboard new members consumes significant time and resources, potentially leading to inefficiencies within the organization. DAOs may become mired in administrative tasks and discussions, diverting attention away from substantive decision-making and implementation of meaningful changes. This inefficiency poses a risk to the organization's ability to adapt and respond swiftly to evolving market conditions, potentially impeding its long-term viability and success. Security. Security represents a critical concern for DAOs, as they rely on digital platforms and blockchain technology to facilitate decision-making and governance processes. Without robust technical expertise and security measures in place, DAOs are vulnerable to exploitation and manipulation, jeopardizing the integrity of votes and the trust of their members. Instances of fraud, hacking, or mismanagement can erode confidence in the DAO structure, leading to user disillusionment and attrition. Even with safeguards such as multi-signature wallets or cold storage solutions, DAOs remain susceptible to security breaches and theft of treasury reserves, highlighting the importance of prioritizing cybersecurity and risk management strategies. Pros and cons of DAOs. Pros. Collaboration is a significant advantage of DAOs, as they enable individuals from diverse backgrounds worldwide to collaborate as one entity, pooling together a wide range of perspectives and expertise. Participation is another benefit, as DAOs allow more individuals to have a say in the decisions and operations of the organization, fostering transparency and accountability within the community. Additionally, DAOs empower members to collaborate with like-minded individuals and contribute to a common vision within a single community, promoting a sense of ownership and engagement. Cons. On the downside, decisions in DAOs can take longer to be made compared to traditional centralized structures, as more people need to vote, leading to delays in implementation. Educating users within the DAO community can also be challenging due to varying levels of knowledge and understanding among members, requiring additional time and resources to ensure effective communication and engagement. Furthermore, DAOs are vulnerable to security risks, such as theft of funds or exploitation, if proper security measures are not in place and diligently maintained, posing potential risks to the integrity and stability of the organization. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. A timeline of progress. In tracing the history of decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs), it becomes evident that their evolution spans several decades and is marked by notable milestones in blockchain technology and decentralized governance. The journey begins with early academic discussions on decentralization in the 1960s and 1970s, laying the groundwork for future developments. The concept gained traction in 1997 with Werner Dilger's exploration of the Internet of Things, IoT, envisioning a decentralized network of interconnected devices. Fast forward to 2009. Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, widely regarded as the first example of a DAO, revolutionizing digital currency and blockchain technology. Subsequent years saw the conceptualization of Decentralized Autonomous Corporations (DACs) by Stan and Daniel Larimer in 2013, alongside Vitalik Buterin's contributions to DAO discourse. Notably, 2015 witnessed significant strides with the inception of projects like DAO and MakerDAO, further propelling the DAO movement forward. The momentum continued into 2016, marked by the rise of the DAO, an ambitious blockchain-based investment fund that garnered over $150 million in crowdfunding. However, this period also underscored the vulnerabilities of DAOs, as the DAO fell victim to a notorious hack, resulting in contentious repercussions within the Ethereum community. Despite setbacks, the year saw the emergence of promising projects such as Digix DAO, Golem, and Aragon, signaling ongoing innovation and experimentation in decentralized governance. From 2017 to 2022, the DAO landscape experienced exponential growth, characterized by the proliferation of infrastructure and tooling applications supporting decentralized organizations. Notable projects like Gnosis, Uniswap, and Moloch DAO exemplify the diverse applications and use cases of DAOs across various industries. Looking ahead, DAOs are poised to continue shaping the future of decentralized governance, with an ever-expanding ecosystem facilitating collaboration and innovation on a global scale. Understanding the purpose of a DAO. The primary objective of a DAO is to revolutionize traditional management structures prevalent in many organizations. Unlike conventional setups where decisions are centralized in the hands of a few individuals, a DAO aims to democratize decision-making by affording every member equal participation rights. This inclusive approach grants each member a voice, a vote, and the opportunity to propose initiatives, thereby enabling a more collaborative and transparent operational environment. Additionally, a DAO operates under a framework of strict governance protocols enforced through smart contracts deployed on a blockchain, ensuring accountability and adherence to predefined rules and regulations. The mechanisms behind revenue generation in a DAO. Revenue generation in a DAO follows a strategic process designed to maximize the value of its native token and enhance overall profitability. Initially, a DAO raises capital by exchanging fiat currency for its native token, which serves as both a form of currency within the DAO ecosystem and a representation of voting power and ownership rights among members. As the DAO progresses and achieves success, the value of its native token appreciates, reflecting the organization's growth and potential. Moreover, a DAO can further boost its financial resources by issuing additional tokens at a premium rate, effectively leveraging its increased market value to attract more investment. Additionally, a DAO has the flexibility to diversify its portfolio by investing in various assets such as companies, non-fungible tokens (NFTs), or other cryptocurrencies, with the aim of capitalizing on potential appreciation in asset value to bolster its financial standing. Through strategic asset management and prudent investment decisions, a DAO can effectively generate revenue and enhance its economic sustainability in the ever-evolving landscape of decentralized finance. Challenges and opportunities in DAO development. In conclusion, while DAOs offer innovative approaches to decentralized governance and decision-making, they are not without their limitations and challenges. Addressing issues related to speed, education, efficiency, and security is paramount for DAOs to realize their full potential and promote trust and confidence among their members. by mitigating these challenges and leveraging the collective wisdom and resources of their communities. DAOs can contribute to the evolution of organizational structures and drive meaningful progress in various domains. DAOs have come a long way since their inception in the early 2000s. They have evolved from simple experiments to complex decentralized organizations that can manage millions of dollars worth of assets. Despite facing challenges such as the infamous DAO hack, the concept of decentralized autonomous organizations has continued to grow and gain acceptance in the mainstream. The rise of DAOs has opened up new possibilities for community-driven governance and decision-making, where stakeholders have direct control over the organization's direction. It has also paved the way for a new era of decentralized finance, DeFi, where individuals have greater control over their financial assets and can participate in decentralized investment opportunities. Seeing how DAOs continue developing and evolving will be interesting as we progress. With the continued growth of the blockchain ecosystem and the increasing demand for decentralized governance, DAOs are poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of organizations and communities.